Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Again, your go-to destination for all things AI, SEO and website optimization. Today, I am super excited to share a step-by-step guide to how to add RankMath to your WordPress website. If you are looking to improve your SEO and make your website rank higher in search engine, then RankMath is the perfect plugin to help you to do that. And the best part, it's beginner friendly and packed with powerful features. Make sure to stick around till the end because I'll also show you a few tips to get started with RankMath and make the most of its features. Let's jump into the screen. Okay, so welcome back to the screen. So let me show you how you can install the RankMath SEO plugin in your WordPress website. So first of all, you need to go to the WordPress backend website like me, and after that here you can see the plugins option. Here is the add new plugin option. Click on add new plugin, and here is the search option. Search with the RankMath SEO. If you search with the RankMath SEO, then here is the first one. Click on install, and after installing this, here is the option for activation. Just wait 1 minute. Here is the activate option. Click on the activate. Then here is the option for connect your account. Okay, if you skip now, then you can skip, or if you want to add, then you can add. Okay, so here is the option for easy advanced. So you will select advanced option, then start wizard. Okay, then here is the input data from AI schema report, and you can see here is the another option, import schema. You need to select all. Okay, don't deselect like this. You need to select all and start import. Okay, here is the importing data, and after that click on continue. Here is the web shop option and other option about your website. Click on the website. Here is the personal blog or everything. Okay, so this website and this tool is only for personal blog option. Okay, if you want to start with your blog option in your website, then you can use. Okay, so I'm starting with personal blog, and then I'm starting with the business name. I don't need to start with alter name. Then you can use here your own business name here for the two type, person and organization name, and the logo and other thing already here from my website. Then click on save and continue. Okay, connect your RankMath account, and if you want to connect, then you can then save to and continue. Okay, everything is here, sitemap and include images, all need to be selected here. Then you can see product categories, also save and continue. Okay, after that here is the no follow external links you need to start with, and then save and continue. Optimization ready, everything is good. Right now your site is ready. Here you can see setup advanced option. Okay, save and role manager, you can see others option here, role manager. You can check it here or skip step. Okay, this is not skip, you can skip. Okay, here is the option. I already added my RankMath SEO plugin in my website. Here is the AMP option. You need to set up the AMP and others. You can see what will be the best for your website. Here is the indexing already added here, and here is the new sitemap. You don't need to use this because this is pricing paid plan. Everything is good right now, and I already set up the wizard here. And if you select the content AI SEO here, you can see here is the connect now option. If you click on connect, then it will be connected with your site, and you need to select your login method because this is a new tool from the RankMath. And here is the analytics option. You can see all the analytics here, and you need to connect your RankMath account. Click on the connect and click on Google. I'm creating an account with my Google account. After that I'm setting up here. Okay, click on continue. Everything is here right now. Just wait a moment. Okay, here is the okay, activate now. Okay, the account will be activated with free plan. Okay, select the account again, continue. Okay, everything is good right now. Select all, then continue. Here is the RankMath SEO option. Here you can see analytics, and if you want to install analytics code, everything is here right now. So this tool will help you to rank your website automatically because this RankMath website is very professional right now. And here you can see the webmaster tool. You can connect your webmaster tool from this, and here is the links, backlinks. Just enable this and save changes. Okay, everything you should to enable. Then you can see your website will be automatically automatically do the SEO for everything. Media, you need to select all. Then after that you can see save changes. Here is the titles and meta tag option. Here you can see all the option here right now. Here is capitalize title, upload information here, no follow, no image, everything you should indexed. Okay, save changes. Okay, this tool is already done. Now you can see here is the SEO analyzer option. You can analyze your SEO by clicking on start analyzing website. Here you can see they already completed 100%. Now you will view the information. Here you can see the SEO score of this website 70 out of 100, and the past test information, everything is here. When I started the enabling everything, okay, here is the past test, warnings and failed test, everything is here. Can you see that my SEO score is 70? Okay, this is good, and day by day it will be increased. Okay, and here is the information setup and tools. Here you can see all the tools are already there. If you want to use this kind of information, then you can use. Or here is the information of instant indexing. This will help you to index your all the URLs. Suppose you are creating a new URL here. Suppose this URL you want to generate, and also you want to index in your webmaster tool. Just click on this and save changes. Okay, and you need to also submit URL first, and after that click on save changes. Okay, this tool will automatically submit your URL for indexing. Okay, so this is the sitemap setting, and you can see the sitemap, link per sitemap 200. If you want to increase this, include feature post, then save changes. You need to just enable everything and just save changes, and after that this tool will dive into the AI position and also do the full AI position for this website. Okay, so this tool is helping you to generate everything. And do you know there is another tool like called Boostify.com. Here is the tool. You can use this tool just for €1 for your website ranking, and this tool will help you to rank your website without any kind of doing manual SEO. Okay, you can use it for your website doing the automatic SEO. Thank you. So if you feel this video is helpful for you, then hit the subscribe button and also like, comment, share. Thank you very much.